The next AI tool we are going to talk about is Schools AI. It has, after logging in, you can access the various tools it has. So the first one is creating a space. You can create this via AI. Now, after you put in the topic, the grade level, and what you want this space to be about, and again, if you are specific, it's going to help you better. It will create a space for students where they can ask questions and get answers from the chatbot. If you find it difficult to provide prompts or this information to these AI tools, what you can do is you can generate those prompts and this information that is needed by these AI tools from ChatGPT. Otherwise, most of the tools have the option of generating most of the component by AI, which is quite helpful too. So now this space can be launched with students and it acts as a chatbot assistant kind of, where the students can ask questions about the topic that you have made this space about. If they don't know anything, this chatbot will help them understand that topic and ask questions to see the level of understanding of the student. Now, I do understand that sometimes the students may be mischievous and want to know some inappropriate things. In that case, this chatbot is equipped to refocus them to the topic at hand, and also it will flag this behavior to the teacher in charge. It will flag this behavior to the teacher. The next tool is Sidekick. It's similar, but it's rather than creating a whole space, it's about training a chatbot per se, where you can again provide it the information you want the chatbot to focus on, and it does provide a disclaimer too that if a student wants to ask some inappropriate questions, they will flag that behavior and the teacher will know about it. Again, if you find difficult providing these prompts, you can generate it with the help of ChatGPT, and once it's there, it will prompt some questions from the students so that they can test their own knowledge, and if they did not understand any topic, then the chatbot can help them understand it. This can be a really good resource for students, especially those who do not feel comfortable in asking questions in the classroom, and can be a resource for them to study or to revise the topic on their own at their own comfort. The next tool is Exit Ticket. It's again in a chatbot format, but it's like end of topic assessment. So if you provided again some basic information about the topic you want to assess students, in a chatbot format it will assess the students for the same. And if they don't know some answers, if they don't know about a topic, it will help them understand those topics by prompting them to think about some related things by asking them questions. You do have to give it some objectives which it generates on its own, and you can review and edit them. Now it does have more tools, like tools to generate lesson plans, course outline, worksheets, IAPs, rubrics, and so on. And they're all free. So say I want to generate an IEP, I'll have to provide it with some information like the grade level of the student, their disability category, and some more specific information about that individual student. And it can generate me an IEP within seconds. Again, it's advisable to go through what the tool has generated in order to make sure that it's correct and appropriate. You can edit this information here itself. and you can export it in a printable PDF document as well. All the other tools work similarly, and you can explore them and see how they can be helpful in your classroom. The next AI we are going to talk about is Checker AI. So it helps you to check if something is written by AI or not. So what you can do is you can paste the work over here and it will tell you what's the possibility of it being written by AI. Like this work, there's 81% certainty that it was written by AI. If you're looking for more AI tools, so there's a resource directory by the name There's an AI for that. It updates the monthly AI tools that are coming up, and they're not only related with education, all AI tools which are coming up daily. So you can look for the AI depending on your need on in the search bar. So like I'm looking for, say, AI for lesson planning, and it will give me all the AIs which help in lesson planning. It will provide an overview, the website of this AI tool, some reviews by the people who have used this AI tool which can be quite helpful, and some other alternatives which can be used instead of this AI. It also provides information regarding if the AI tool is free to use or not. So this can be a very good resource, AI directory. As we draw this journey to a close, I want to extend my deepest gratitudes for everyone who joined me in exploring the vast and dynamic world of AI in education. My hope has been to demystify artificial intelligence, making it not just accessible but a valuable asset for teachers and aspiring educators alike. Through this course, we have delved into fundamentals of AI, ethical considerations, practical tools, and the art of prompt engineering. Each module crafted with the intent to empower you in harnessing the potential of AI to enhance teaching and learning experiences. I sincerely hope that these sessions have served their purpose, offering you the insights and confidence to integrate AI tools into your educational practices. But beyond the technical knowledge, my aspiration was to spark conversations, to foster a community where educators feel supported, encouraged, and inspired to share their experiences and learn from one another. The future of AI is a collaborative effort, and with AI, we stand on the brink of limitless possibilities. Let's continue to engage, experiment, and support each other, building a network of educators who are not just ready, but excited to navigate the evolving landscape of AI in education. Thank you once again for your time, your curiosity, and your commitment to education. Here's to creating an empowered, innovative, and supportive teaching community today and in the future.